session. Kenya and Germany have a unique opportunity to work together, because a lot of what Germany has and has in excess is what Kenya lacks, and vice versa. Just as you've heard now, our young people, trained, equipped, and in good numbers, are ready to power the technology that comes from your industries. With respect to your products in our country, I think when you're starting off in life, you start with Japanese cars, maybe other countries, but finally when you make it, you drive German. So if you're in your BMW or Mercedes, you are probably a principal secretary and so on. So your products have a very good positioning in our country, and as you probably have heard, we would also want to see how we can tap into this auto industry. We know you're manufacturing in South Africa and other countries across the world. Kenya can be part of that conversation. And we are in petrochemicals in a big way coming up now, so we believe we can participate. And I think the purpose of these conversations is to try and align Kenya's issues, and we are not saying we are perfect. We know there are a few things we may need to work on, and more importantly, to see how we can create those linkages between companies here and companies there. Our coffee finds good taste here, in Germany, and we are continuing to expand our markets. But we also want a bit of value addition back at home. So we've aligned some of the tax issues that we had in the past to make the value addition, given that labor in Kenya is much cheaper than here. It will be easier for companies to align the production and value addition back in Nairobi through our special economic zones. Then we can be able to sell it here. I believe there will be opportunity to delve more into this, including the green energy solutions that Kenya has at 93% renewable. And this is part of what we'll be offering to German companies that want to come. Thank you.